Here's what's new in AccessAlly 3.7. First, we have a brand new integration with Quaderno, which is a tax compliance and tax calculation service. This is a paid add-on, so you would have to sign up at Quaderno, but AccessAlly will integrate and help you calculate taxes on the fly, as well as tax ID validation, all kinds of great things. So make sure you check out the full tutorial for how that works and whether you want to sign up for it or not. You'll also notice that ProgressAlly got a visual upgrade to match the new AccessAlly colors and interface, and some new updates inside the profile area, including a brand new thing called an interaction. So interaction is going to help replace the Mark as Done button. You can still keep using Mark as Done, but with the new interaction Mark as Done button, you can change all kinds of things when people click on it. So you can hide it, change the text that shows up, you can send them to a different link, you can do all kinds of things. Plus, with an interaction, you can also live update a part of the page with a shortcode. So for example, if you were applying a tag after somebody completes something, it will be able to refresh right on the page. We've also added the rich text editor to private notes for site administrators, so you can format the text that you're submitting as a private note to your students. We've also made some updates to the previous and next buttons. So if the next page is unpublished, it will not show. And if you're applying a tag right on the page and they don't have access to the other page yet, that button will now refresh once they complete this page. So you don't have to do anything fancy, and now they'll be able to move on to that next page once it's unlocked. We've also added a new CAPTCHA option for opt-in forms to help prevent spam signups. You'll find the tutorial for that in the release notes. We've also made a bunch of improvements to offerings based on your feedback, so thank you so much. Now you can change the main page of an offering and use an existing page. You no longer need to create new public pages, you can use existing ones. And also when you're renaming modules in the content area of offerings, you'll see those names reflected in the permissions area. You can also refresh tags now, and a lot of other things that are just gonna make editing and creating offerings a lot easier. And to help you keep things organized, you can add an existing offer and order form page from your site to an offering. Before you would have had to create a new order form, but now you can use existing ones and link them so everything stays connected. We've also added the ability for a team leader to download their member certificates on the team management page, so you have to use a shortcode for inserting that download certificate into your dashboard. You can also add rich text inside of your management page elements now, so you don't have to use HTML. You can design these a little bit more easily. We also fixed a bunch of defects, so just take a look at the release notes to see the full list. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to see what you do with AccessAlly and ProgressAlly.